Hey folks, I just wanted to, I'm going to run you through making a simple little capture page, and I'll show you what it looks like online and everything right now. I put this little page up here for you. Now I'm actually building the page that you're on at the moment. So I need to put a heading in there, so I'm going to put a heading in there. I'm going to put this capture page tutorial, I'll call it. Capture page tutorial. Alright, now capture page tutorial. Now I'm going to put the video that I'm doing here now. Now, all you do for your videos is you come up to this button here, and it says embed media from external sites. You just need to put your YouTube URL in there. And then you just need to align it, align where you want and you can resize it if you want to there. Now I'm going to put a form in here, and I'm going to show you. I use awaeber as my autoresponder and email service provider. So I'll just log into my my little awaeber here. I've got. Oh yeah, we're already signed in. So here I want to then get a form. So I need a sign up form. Now here it's quite easy. Once you've set your sign up forms, you set them in there. You see I'm getting displays already through here, and we've only been going for about a week or so, so that's not too bad. I'll use the white form just so it looks okay. Okay, that should be fine. We won't change anything. Once you get inside, you'll be able to go through the steps quite easily. And to install it, you need the raw HTML or the JavaScript. I normally use the raw HTML. I like it better. I like the raw HTML better. JavaScript sometimes doesn't display on some web browsers, especially the older ones. Yeah, so we come back here. Now we need to go to the source, and we need to put the form, and I just wanted to show you how very simple this really is. Now all this is space. Here is fine. I've got a center of the form, so you type in it CNTR, and you use the is greater than and is smaller than brackets. Now what we do is we just copy and paste that form in there, right? That's all we do. Now you don't need hardly any coding whatsoever, and if you need to do coding in the email subscription service, I'll send you to a fantastic place where you can learn your coding and everything, and it is free as well. Okay, so we do that, and the page looks like that, right? That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, now at that stage, underneath the capture page tutorial words here, I'll put a video there, and that's this video that we're actually creating now. Okay, I just wanted to put this up here to actually show you how quite easy it is to actually make a capture page. And in the back here, all you do is you just set your messages. I'll show you the messages in the main campaign. In campaign, no messages, legacy follow-up. Hang on, here we go. Legacy follow-up. Yeah, here, and you just create all these email messages. Now folks, if you've got products or you've got digital products or anything, you can put it amongst the email here, or you can do another way, and I will show you now. This way you can get your free blogs at Blogger. Okay, go to blogger.com. And you can create like little mini blogs and mini sites. You can actually do a capture page in a blog if you wish. I'll show you how the blogs look like. That's one blog there. Content is good. That's just me showing you. That's on another list of mine. I've got that within the emails. I put up a blog. I put up a separate blog, and I've got actually quite a lot of blogs. I've got a few accounts. I've got a few Google accounts because I love Google. I'm a Google Plus member, and I just love it. See, I've got all those there. That's just on one. That's on one list and two sites. I've got two blogs to two sites where I set a blog on my sites, because I've got various sites around the internet as well, and they're all SEO. They do manage to get up in the top 3 to 4 pages on the SEO in Google. They vary. Sometimes they're on page 1, sometimes they're on page 2, depending on the PR level of your of the website and how it's going, and how Google responds to the site through your keywords and everything. But we'll show you all that and everything else through the list as well, guys. So this is just a video on. I just wanted to show you capture pages and how to set up your email campaigns and everything. And it's all free. It's all free training for you. And I try and word things very simple, basic, and easy to understand for everyone to understand, because I know it can get pretty technical sometimes, learning internet marketing and all the different jargon and all the different terminology and everything you have to remember. I get confused on MMR and PIR and PLR and all of it. I know what they mean, but trying to speak it, I sometimes get confused and say the wrong thing. So bear with me. I'm not perfect. I am human. So okay, that's enough for me, and that's enough for this tiny little page tutorial. What I wanted to do is I wanted to actually save that page, and you see down the bottom here, successfully saved the file down the bottom on the right hand corner there. Now what we'll do is we'll bring that page up, and I'll show you what that page looks like at the moment. Now we need the main. Now I put now don't forget to put the HTML. Otherwise it won't display, and things won't work for you. So when you're typing out your pages, make sure you put the page name and the HTML, the .html, or the extension. If you do a template, if you use, say, OpenOffice.org, and you create a template for people to download a form where they can fill out and then send back to you through the email, that's a good way to communicate in your business too. Then you'll need to put your the extension, which is, I think it's a TTS or TTF file or something like that, or an ODT file or something, and then they can just, all they do is that they just click on your link, which you put in one of your pages, and then they will download an untitled page where they fill out, and they have to save the file, then send it back to you through your email. You get that file with all the information written out, and yeah, it's a fantastic way. Say you've got work orders, and you've got special made work orders, custom made work orders for your business. Say you're a carpenter and you need work orders and you need the plans and everything. Well, you can set up a separate email address, and you can do that under Viral Host as well. Set up your emails. You get several emails with your account, so it's pretty good. And then you can then get those documents, and you can work on those documents back at base, and you don't need to visit the client or set up or waste time working out paperwork on site. And there's no need to travel, so which saves you fuel, and there's many different ways you can do things online, which you can save a lot of costs offline in your marketing, if you've got an offline business or anything, and you wish to go that way and just advertise through online. But what I'm showing you is the list, and if you've got an offline business and you want to create an email list, by all means you can put an email subscription up on your site, on your main site, and then people who are interested in your business and what you are doing, they will join your email subscription list, and you can make a 90-day or 120-day or whatever campaign and promote to them automatically on autopilot. This is what they mean by autopilot marketing. Nothing's really autopilot based. You've got to spend a lot of time setting up and everything to actually get it to that stage, and then you need to spend a little bit of time every night, say about half an hour to an hour, setting things up, posting things in your social networks, posting up ads, doing a few content articles, which drives free traffic as well. And yeah, no, but join up the list, and we'll run you through things, and I'll define things and make it very basic for you, so you can get the gist of things, without all the jargon, and without pushing too much information into your head at once. Okay, thank you.